Hi everyone, welcome back to Korean Pathway class. In Unit 2, we're going to learn how to ask questions using ieyo, yeyo. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to ask who or what something is and answer naturally with 네 or 아니요.
Let's start with today's vocabulary.
Listen carefully and repeat after me. 학생, 의사, 시계, 동생, 흙, 회사원, 가수, 친구, 닭, 제목. Great job! Now let's see how these words form question sentences in Korean. In polite conversational Korean, asking questions is very simple. Question sentences look and sound just like regular statements. When writing, simply add a question mark at the end. When speaking, just raise your voice slightly at the end. It's just like asking, are you, is this, or what is this in English. Now, let's look at the grammar rules. We use ieyo, yeyo to ask questions, and they mean the exact same thing. The choice simply depends on whether the word ends with a final consonant. For example, 학생 ends with a final consonant, so it becomes 학생이에요. But 의사 has no final consonant, so it becomes 의사예요. To answer, you can say 네, 학생이에요. Or 아니요, 의사가 아니에요. Let's practice with some examples. First, affirmative answers. 학생이에요? 네, 학생이에요. 의사예요? 네, 의사예요. 흙이에요? 네, 흙이에요. 시계예요? 네, 시계예요. 남동생이에요? 네, 남동생이에요. Now, negative answers. 회사원이에요? 아니요, 회사원이 아니에요. 가수예요? 아니요, 가수가 아니에요. 닭이에요? 아니요, 닭이 아니에요. 제 몫이에요? 아니요, 친구 몫이에요. 친구예요? 아니요, 친구가 아니에요. Now, let's look at the double final consonants. 리을, 기역, and 기역, 시옷. When 흙, 닭, and 목 are spoken alone, you only pronounce one consonant, sounding like 흙, 닭, and 목. But notice how 목 is a bit different. First, 목 is rarely used on its own. It's usually paired as 제목, meaning my share. Second, pay attention to its sound. When 흙 and 닭 are followed by a vowel, they sound like 흙이에요 and 달기에. But when 목 meets a vowel, the second consonant s shifts over and becomes a strong s sound. So 제 몫이에요 is pronounced as 제 몫이에요. Repeat after me. 이건 흙이에요? 닭이 아니에요. 제 몫이에요. Finally, let's go over all our practice sentences one last time. 학생이에요? 네, 학생이에요. 의사예요? 네, 의사예요. 흙이에요? 네, 흙이에요. 시계예요? 네, 시계예요. 남동생이에요? 네, 남동생이에요. 회사원이에요? 아니요, 회사원이 아니에요. 가수예요? 아니요, 가수가 아니에요. 닭이에요? 아니요, 닭이 아니에요. 제 몫이에요? 아니요, 친구 몫이에요. 친구예요? 아니요, 친구가 아니에요. You did a fantastic job today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in Unit 3. Bye-bye!